Do you have a phone? I'm sure you have. And probably you're making a lot of pictures. This video is for you. Doesn't matter if you are iPhone user or Android user, this video is for you. Just hear me out. These days we have shitloads of pictures, hundreds of them, even thousands. And the problem appears when you try to download them. For some reason, especially Windows operating system, when you try to open a folder with hundreds of even thousands of pictures, will freeze or crash. Guys, I found a solution for that madness. I just want to show you that quickly. So what I'm doing right now, I'm doing what everyone would do, which is I'm connecting my phone through USB cable to the computer. I see internal storage, I'm going inside, I'm looking for a folder that holds pictures, and like you can see, the number is increasing, 266, 470, and it's keep going, takes ages. Already everything slows down. So I have more than 1,500 pictures here, and still going up and up and up, and it's crazy how long that takes. And this is USB-C port. In cases like this, obviously helps when you change the way how you view the files. So if you go to details without thumbnails, this will speed up the process. Yes, this is a trick, but still, for some reason, sometimes when you move those files around, still you have a problem. So instead of just marking those files and copy them, we will use something different. The program I want to show you, it's called Total Commander. It's basically file manager, different than Windows operating system has. If you were born in 2000, you probably don't know what that is, but if you're a little bit older, I'm sure this will bring back some memories. So download 64-bit version. I'm assuming you have 64-bit OS operating system. Just run it, and you will see this divided window. On the left side you can choose the source, and on the right side destination. So in my case, I just want to give you a small tip here. Go to the configuration option and go to and mark show two drive button bars. It's nicer, I think. It's easier to understand what's going on. So when you press apply, this thing will appear. And go to display setting as well. And this is like a pro tip. If you don't need it, don't do it. But I like to mark show system files. So you will see all the files, even the hidden ones. Okay, so on the left, I'm choosing the source, which is my Google Pixel. I'm going inside to the internal storage. I'm looking for the specific folder, and I am in. I don't know if you noticed how fast that was. I just pressed the button and I am inside. I'm sure you remember what you saw a minute ago. And I have all the files that I need here. What I like to do, this is another small tip, if I know when exactly those pictures were taken, I'm just looking at the date here. So I want files from specific date. I'm marking this, I'm marking simply by, I'm using shift and arrow down, and this will mark those files. Also, you can press right mouse button to mark specific files as well. So I'm doing this, and on the bottom I have F5, which is copy. Because I already have some of those files, I'm just skipping those. And now just wait. Like I mentioned before, for some reason, if you are doing this in Windows operating system, you will struggle. This will take ages, and it's a high possibility the system will crash. Maybe not the whole system, but the windows you open it, and everything will just disappear. And I just want to mention that why you might consider using such a program for everything, not only for copying files between the phone and the laptop. So you have some reasons here, like you have nice dual panel view, plugin support, and file transfer protocol connections if you need that for some reason. Back in the day, I'm talking like 20 years ago, that was very popular, not anymore, but who knows, maybe you can use it for something. And at the end, I just want to say, you don't have to use Total Commander. This was just an example. I like it because I know it from the good old days, but there are other things like one commander, so the choice is yours. And if you are still here, I just wanna tell you something more. You might be wondering, because I was wondering, why the heck Total Commander is dealing with files better than Windows operating system. One of the main reasons is Total Commander is not loading thumbnails. This is huge, so he's not wasting time on this. Only data, only metadata he's collecting. He's bypassing also Explorer exe, which is Windows Manager, Windows File Manager. He's not trying to indexing them or refreshing view or something like that. And for some reason, I don't know how to explain this, it's also better managing the file transfer from USB port. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed that video, that small trick. I'm sure this will be very helpful for you. Don't forget to smash that like button, and I shall see you next time. Thank you. Bye.